Well, what's happening, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of Surfside Fishing and Outdoors as I spin around here so you guys can see me. This morning was really cold. It was about 30 degrees, and that clicked off my my inspiration to grab the kayak and head out to our wintertime fishing spot out here at Crooked Island on Tyndall Air Force Base. We've been here previously, and this time of year all the trout and the I guess ladyfish and the tarpon move back into these back bays here, and to seek out warmer water. And every time we've come here, it's been non-stop action. Trout, some keepers, some not, but it's a good spot. We got a light wind out of the northeast right now, and it's warmed up considerably. It's about 50 degrees, 54 degrees. So I'm gonna get the gear ready and we're gonna pop out there and paddle around and see what we can get. So stay with us and we'll get back on the line when we got one on the line. All right, Surfside out. Last time I fished with this kayak, I think, was here, and I actually left my two rod holders, port and starboard, and I have some at home, but they did not match up. So I'm going to be just taking one rod today, basically holding it in my lap the whole time, which is kind of going to suck, but we'll make it work. No big deal. All right. We'll get some fish. I'm gonna head over to that far bank and fish that bank. There's a drop off over there about 20 feet off that bank, and I'll let the wind blow me back, and I'll fish the entire way back and just rinse and repeat. See where the fish are concentrated, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, a little bit about the gear today. I got a Penn Battle 3 paired with 10-pound braid and a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader, and I've got a vudoo shrimp, which is pretty much the go-to here. I am seeing some fish break over there. Let me get back on station here. I'd like to see some reds come here today. Just a vudoo shrimp off the bottom. Sorry about the camera angle. Wind is really moving me around here. Okay. Let's see what we got. I am seeing some mullet jump around, which is par for the course around here. Oh, spike. Oh, here we go. There's something. That's something decent. There we go. What we've got here? What do we got? What do we got? That's something decent. He hit pretty hard. He's staying down. He's got his head down. What do we got? Oh, 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 wow, wow, what a run. What a run. What do we got here? Woo. Woo. What a run. That was awesome. As soon as he got to the kayak. I think it's a red. Wow, he's really staying down. Or it's a gator trout. Yeah, gator trout. Wow, what do we got here? I was under the kayak. Wow, can't even see him. The water's a little murky. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my God. Come on. Wow, he hit like a ton of bricks. Wow. Tighten up that drag a little bit. Can't even get him up. This is a red. Oh my God. Whew. What is this? Oh my God. I think I need a bigger pole. Oh my God. Wow, this has to be a slot red. Good fight though, this is great. Does not want to come up. There it is. Got some color. Oh, it's a nice red. Ooh. Big red. Big red. Let me lip him. Oh, come on. Come on. I don't have my fish grips. Wow. Whew. What a nice fish, huh? I was just saying. Wow. I hope the camera can see that. Nice slot red. That is a beauty. Woo! Nice. Thanks, buddy. I'm gonna get a picture of you and get you back. All right, bud. He was not coming undone either. Okay. Get a safe release on him. Come on, buddy. There she goes. Woo! Nice. Let's get back on that bite. Excellent. Slot red to start the afternoon. All right, guys. Let's get back on that. That was a nice red. see if there's any more in here. There's got to be. Voodoo shrimp for the win every time. Oh, sorry. Phone hanging out. I need to lose that. Fish. What do we got there? That was like instantaneous. Trout. As soon as I hit the water. Yep, trout are here. Yep, speckled trout. Little guy. They got to be 18 to keep, or 15 to 18 to keep, but let him go. See you, buddy. Oh, that was instantaneous. Now let's go find your big brother. They say once you catch one about that big, they're all going to be about that big. Set up for us. Well guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here this afternoon. Did manage to get that nice redfish, which was a nice surprise. Always nice when a plan comes together. And just that little trout. Spent about 2 hours or so paddling around, and it's probably a little bit early in the season for this area to actually pop off. So I'll check back here in 2 or 3 weeks when it cools off a little bit more. Maybe some more fish will fill in, but I think that's great. I mean, I got that red, and it's a nice day. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support, and stay tuned for the next one. Surfside out.